everyone, and welcome to Calm Creations Crafty Flosstube. My name is Tia. Today I've got a little bit of a haul video for you. So last week my youngest daughter and I went on a bit of an op-shop crawl. We ventured further than our local stores and went a bit further south and found some new ones. And I just thought that I would show you what I picked up along the way, and I'm very happy with what I got. So we went to a few little independent ones, and then we went to Lifeline and Salvos, and what was the other one? And we went to I think it might have been a Lifeline warehouse, which was absolutely huge. I've been there years and years ago, but because it's a bit further away, it's not one that I go to regularly. But anyway, I thought I would show you what I picked up. So first, that thing that I'm most excited about, which no, I don't have a lot of, is vintage or even just doilies. So I picked up quite a few, and I'm very happy with them. That one's got little butterflies on it. These have all been washed and they're all nice and dry, and they smell good. This one's got a huge big mark on it, but you know, you can still use the little bits and pieces in between. I think it might be hand done too, because yeah, looking at that, but they will all be used somehow. So now I don't think I need any more. I've got plenty of variety now. So what are those? How is that done? Didn't even notice that. These little puffy things. They're quite puffy. I don't know if you can see that. That's quite cool. But yes, I've definitely got enough now, and I don't need any more. So those, and then this one here is really pretty. Really love the spring colours of that. So that's it open. Is that on there? That's really pretty. So that's that one. And then there's a few of these mass-made ones. Threads everywhere, and I've got a few of these already, I think. So that's that one there. These are the dinner napkins. I think that's what that would have been. Of course they're not ironed yet, but you know. So that's that one. This is one that I think I've got a few of already, so that goes that way. These can all be cut up and used. Look at this little one. Oh, this is just so pretty. Hang on, let me iron it while you're here so you can have a look. Just heating up the iron. So these are those same ones that were mass produced, I think. And then this one, which is, that's the wrong side, that one there, it looks like a bit of candle wicking, maybe, I don't know, but that's very pretty. There's another, oh, there's a little crochet doily, that looks modern. That's not. That same one. Right, let's iron this little can see how cute it is. I think it's a circle, it might be a square. Just love that. That's the wrong side. Okay, right. It's alright. On the side and flip them over and have a look. Absolutely sweet is that? It is so pretty. Yeah, you can see, so that's hand done because I can see the pattern underneath. Yep, that is so pretty. Right, what else? Move that again. Some more little bits of crochet lace and trim. This one's a bit damaged, but that's okay. It will be trumped up. That's another little doily. It's different to the other one, I think, yeah. But they can be used somewhere. And then again, another one of these mass-produced little topper things, but all these little medallions can be cut out and used, and the edging. This one here is on a bit of, I don't know what it is, but it's a bit damaged. That may have happened in the washing machine, but that can be trimmed up. They can be used, and it's on this like silky polyester fabric. Little bits have been cut out. So that's that one. It's got a bit of sparkle in it. And then this one here. Oh yes, this is a bit damaged. It's been eaten away at by something, but again we can use all of these little bits. So that's that one, and then this is a napkin. This will be a good base for something, just a standard, you know, these are still around, standard napkin. And then I found this big pillowcase. It's huge. So this could be, I don't understand why the back's so big, but anyway, it is massive. Big pillowcase. So it measures, where's my end there? So it's 33 inches long. So it's very big, but this would be a good base for something too. So I thought that was a good find. I can't remember all the prices for them, but they were all very, very reasonably priced. I think I got all of the doilies and stuff for like $4, which I was more than happy with. Right, so that's all of that. Then I found some cross-stitch kits. These were all $2. Cat with Flowers, DMC. They're all on 14 count Ada. So that's that one. Then I found Inflorescences of Hydrangea. That's another DMC. Well, I don't know if it is. Cross Stitch Kit RTO Create for Fun cross stitch kits. So I don't know if it is a DMC one. Made in EU. Don't know. No, maybe not. Oh, it's by RTO. Okay, but it's using DMC thread. Again, that was $2. And then a dimensions kit, whole lot of latte, and that was $2 as well. And they're all, yeah, all 14 count. This one's 14 count black Ada. So all full kits. So I was thrilled about those. They will go in the stash. And then I found this little ceramic bowl. Well, it's not ceramic, it's pottery. And I thought this would be good to just sit on my desk with some buttons or something in it. Now I made, years and years, when I was little, I used to go to pottery classes, and I made this little boat. It was very similar to this, but it had, I put glass in the bottom, but the glazing was very similar. Whether this was made as an old ashtray, who knows, but I thought it was quite cute and it could sit on my desk. That was only $1, so that's that. And then I found a couple of little, what do you call these, ribbon. I don't know if it's that knitting, not ribbon, it's trim, lace trim. That one's still brand new in the packet. And then the sort of rosy pink coloured one. And a couple of storage containers. I've already put my little pom-poms in there. They were only $1 each. So I've got some Goo Gone stuff, so I'll get those labels off. And they will be ready to fill up. And then I think from, I don't know if it was Lifeline or Salvation Army, I don't know, but a spool of macrame, recycled macrame cord in white. There's only a little bit gone off it by the looks of it. This is one that we sell at work, so that was only $1. And then we, oh these, look at these, right, these I have, they were $3, and I just had to get them. One, they're very unusual, and two, they could be made into something really, really fun. They're little parasols, little umbrellas. So what I've done is I've challenged the girls, Corinne and Susanna. I'm going to give them one each, and we hopefully, I haven't heard back from them yet, going to make something out of it. So there were 2 purple and a pink. I mean, the lace is only glued on. So once that comes off and we make a pattern piece, it'll be so fun to decorate. So I'm sure they will be up for the challenge, something a little bit different. And then the pink one. How cute are they? Little umbrellas. They must have been used for, there's a hole in the handle, but they must have been used for maybe, you know, a table centerpiece or something. I don't know. I don't know what they'd be used for, but I thought they were unusual and we could do something fun with those. So I got those. There, I've done that little pile, and then this is all, oh now, my local Lynn Craft is closing, and I bought some stuff. What did I buy from there? Oh, I bought a whole lot of rickrack, that's right. So that's just normal rip-wrap. But I also got these little tiny sewing. So there's little pins and thimbles and spools. Everything in there was 50% off. So, and I've got my voucher to go back and spend. So I'll have to do that before that expires. But then when we were doing, no, this was another trip. So last week my youngest daughter had her orthodontic appointment. They are rebuilding, no they're not, they're moving location from where we live just over the road. So that building is still under construction. So we had to go further south to one of their other offices. Anyway, while we were there we went to Kmart. Now their Kmart down there is much bigger than our one here, and so they had lots of different stuff that we don't have at ours. So I grabbed a few things from there, but the first thing I got was these beads. Now these beads are bigger than a normal size 11 seed bead, but they're not big pony beads. But I got 2 packets, both the colours that they had there. So they will come in handy because they're a little bit bigger, so they'll be used. And then I got some little faux pearl beads in all different sizes. Right. And then they had these containers. Now these are just like little mini bucket type things. And it was a pack of 3. Yeah, a pack of 3 for I think $2 each, but our Kmart doesn't have these, so I got 2 bundles of those, and I think that's about it. So I hope you enjoyed that little haul video, and I will see you all again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.